Shandong BOLIDA Machinery Company Limited is a manufacturer focusing on design, production, integrating scientific research, sales, and service. It mainly produces biomass equipment, crushing, shredding, chipping, pellet machinery, drying, cooling, packing, and other related products. All equipment has passed CE, SGS, ISO 9000, and other related technical appraisals and approvals. Founded in 2017 and based in Jinan, Shandong Province, China. Covering an area of more than 60 acres, BOLIDA Machinery belongs to the group company with ROTEXMASTER. Since the establishment, the equipment produced by BOLIDA has been exported to more than 60 countries and regions in the world. The crushing series and pellet production line have become the world's best-selling products and have been recognized by the world. At BOLIDA, we believe that improvement of product quality is always a top priority. Each year, BOLIDA will invest 6 to 8% of its sales revenue into R&D, making it possible to expand the product capacity and increase the technology level. There are 20 R&D engineers. Among them, 10 senior engineers with more than 10 years' experience. And we have formed a comprehensive business pattern for project design, new product research, machinery manufacturing, quality inspection, installation and debugging, technical training, and after-sales service. Welcome to visit our factory. We are waiting for you.
Welcome to BOLIDA factory. We are professional manufacturer of wood crusher, biomass pellet machinery. We can supply you turnkey solutions of wood pellet production line, from design to production to delivery to installation, commissioning, and training. Trust us, we can help you do pellet projects successfully.